friends, I'm going to show you a fairly easy dinner to make. This one has a name. It's called $1 Million Spaghetti. I call it $1 Million Spaghetti Casserole because that's basically what it is. But anyway, it calls for a pound of ground beef, and I'm going to put a few onions in here. I don't want too many, but just a few. Anyway, this is a really easy, this almost reminds me of like a lasagna, you know, because it's got the cottage cheese and all the extra cheeses in it. But it really is good. And it's fairly easy to put together. But I'm going to break this up. And I'm going to fry this burger up. You need to brown your burger. And I'm going to cook mine right with my onions. And then when I have this all browned, I'll be back and I'll show you our next step. Because once this gets frying, I mean, it gets loud. So I'm not going to keep the camera on for that. But anyway, when this is all browned and done, I'll be back. Okay, friends, I'm back. And as you can see, this is some really, really lean burger. So what I'm going to do is pour my spaghetti sauce in there. And you can use Prego, Ragu, any spaghetti sauce you want. This is just my own, so I'm going to put that right in there. I turned the heat off. And I'm just going to leave that sit there until I'm ready to use it. So, we'll just set that aside. Pull you in here a little bit. Then we'll move on to our next step. Okay, so with that, we have got 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. And I've got it so it's nice and soft. You definitely want it. See that? You definitely want it good and soft so you can mix it up. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of cottage cheese and a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Now, if you don't like the cottage cheese, you can use ricotta cheese, or you can even omit it if you choose. But we're going to mix that up really good. Give that a good mix. Okay, so that's mixed up really good. Now I got a pound of spaghetti noodles, and they're already pre-cooked. They're al dente, and they're sitting over by my sink. Anyway, you're going to need a 1/2 stick of butter, but you're going to put about half of it on the bottom of your casserole dish. Okay, and then you're going to take about half of your noodles and put them over your butter. Okay. All right. You with me? This is easy and delicious. Okay, so now we're going to spread this all out. Don't waste any of it. Okay. And we're just going to kind of spread those around on your noodles. All right. Now we're going to put the remainder of the noodles on top. Spread them around a little bit. Ooh, that's going to be good. Okay, then we're going to take, and you're going to put the rest of your butter on top of these noodles. And that's what's going to keep your noodles nice and moist and buttery. And the noodles, by the way, are cooked al dente. I do believe I just told you that. So we're just going to start to ladle our sauce over our noodles. I didn't have to season my sauce at all because mine's already seasoned. If you like to add a little more seasoning, go right ahead. Okay. Put this last little bit on here. Okay, and that's going to go in your oven just like that for about 35 to 40 minutes. 350 degrees. When that is done, friends, I'll bring it back and show you. Also, yeah, I'll bring it back and show you because then we're going to put a little cheese on top, which you don't have to, but I do. I'm going to put a little bit of cheese on top and just put it back in the oven just until that cheese melts. Hey friends, this is done and it turned out gorgeous. So I'm going to scoop some out of here. Oh, let's see, I'll go this way. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Ooh, that's going to be so good. You can smell all the cheeses in there. All right, friends. There you have a nice budget-friendly meal. It's almost like a lasagna. It's wonderful. But there you have it. Isn't that gorgeous? Give it a try. Thanks for watching.